guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Kemps. Today we're going to be doing some buffalo wings. Super Bowl Sunday is coming up. I know you guys need some recipes. Sorry, I'm looking at this. I need to look different. I know you guys need some recipes for your Super Bowl party. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and introduce my ingredients. So I have Frank's red hot sauce, like the hot buffalo. That's what I use. I got cayenne pepper. I got about 3 teaspoons. Spilled some. So now I'm about 2 teaspoons. So I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons of the cayenne pepper. I got 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. About 3 teaspoons of seasoned salt. And about a teaspoon and a half of black pepper. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get these out of our way. And I'm going to finish. I'm going to show you guys real quick. I'll show you the process that I did to get the wings to this point, and also how I dried them. So I'll show you guys that right now. All right, guys. So we have our whole pack of chicken wings here. I'm about to go ahead and get those cleaned up and washed up, and then I'm going to go ahead and split them. So I will show you guys after I get them nice and clean, and I'll show you a quick snippet of me chopping them up. Break off the tip. Cut down. That one's really easy. See that? So I'm gonna do one more, and then I'm not gonna bore you guys with this process. You see what I'm doing? Cut down. If you have a really sharp knife, it's really easy to do. You got your flat, you got your drum. Cheaper this way too. I think I spent $10, and I think this was like maybe like 3 pounds worth of chicken wings. So I'm gonna finish that up, guys, and I'll move on to the next step. I'll introduce the ingredients, and we will start cooking. We're gonna use our Ninja foodie today to do these wings. So stay tuned. Okay, guys. So before we continue with the chicken, I just wanted to show you we're using the Ninja Foodie XL today. We're gonna use it as an air fryer. All right. So we're gonna cook these about 390 for maybe between 20 and 24 minutes. So we'll check it about 20-minute time frame, okay? So that's that. I do have an air fryer basket, and comes with an air fryer basket and a grill. Like this. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So let me get some more paper towel. My hands are still clean. So what I'm doing now, I just want to make sure our chicken is completely dry. Want wet chicken in the air fryer, so make sure you dry it off as best you can. So this is about 3 pounds of chicken. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit it all in there in one go. We'll try. So if not, I'll just show you guys the first batch. Try to speed this video up along. All right, guys. So that's pretty dry. It's good enough for me. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start with my seasonings here. So cayenne pepper. I might put a little bit more. The 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Hold on, what was that? I'm tripping. Oh, this is seasoned salt. Sorry about that. So I got about 3 teaspoons of seasoned salt. It may look like a lot, but I got 3 pounds of chicken. So, all right. And then black pepper, about a teaspoon and a half. So now I'm just gonna mix this up. So this is a good all-purpose seasoning rub. Got another paper towel in there. This is a good all-purpose, especially for buffalo wings. Seasoned salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and what else? Cayenne pepper. That's a very good all-purpose seasoning for wings. Now, if you're doing like some lemon pepper wings, of course you want to use lemon pepper seasoning, and maybe some salt and pepper, but maybe garlic powder. But for buffalo wings, you definitely want to use some cayenne pepper, some seasoning salt, and some salt and pepper. All right, guys. So that's it. Let me show you. It's all mixed in there. I think that's a better view. All Alright, so the only thing we have left to do now is go ahead and get this thing preheated. So let me go ahead. Still got my clean hand here. What I'm gonna do is hit the on button. Can you guys see this? Let me move the camera. Okay. So I'm gonna press the on button now. And then we're gonna press air crisp. And it's already set at 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and press start. I'm gonna shut this lid, and it's going to preheat. And once it comes up to temp, you'll see me putting those wings in the air fryer. So we'll be right back. All right, guys. So as you can see, it's telling me to add my food, my gloves. My hand is still wet. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to add my food. I'm not going to add any spray. Put the chicken wings in there. Like so. I like to rotate them, alternate them, get more in there like that. So we'll see how many I can fit in there. So me personally, I don't like these as much. The drums, I like the flats. And I can get a bunch of flats in there. But those are my favorites. Still want to leave some room though, so your chicken can be crispy. I'm not too crowded in here. There you go. And one more game. Make a little room for these flats. So the rest, I'll do these in 2 batches. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. So I've added my food now, so I'm gonna go ahead and just close it down. You see it's 20 minutes, timing down. We'll be back in 20 minutes and I will show you guys what we're looking at. Actually, we're gonna check this halfway, so we'll check it in about 10 minutes. All right, so we'll be back in 10 minutes. I just wanna show you guys what it looks like during the cook. Right? So especially guys, if you guys don't have one of these, just use a regular air fryer. If you don't have a regular air fryer, just use the oven. You see I'm cooking on 390. In the oven, I'll probably go at 400. 400 is probably about 25 minutes. Check halfway, turn them if you need to. That way they can get crisp on both sides, okay? So this thing is really loud, so I'm not gonna try to over talk it. I will be back in 10 minutes. All right guys, so we already passed the 10-minute mark. I was doing something else. Let me go ahead and check them. Give you guys a quick look up. See that, guys? That's about 10 minutes in. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna flip them. So let me get you back on the tripod. Sorry, my videographer is kind of busy right now. So I'm doing the best I can with the production. So I'm just gonna flip these. All right guys, so let me give you guys a quick look, really quick. All right, so you see that's halfway through, so I'm gonna go ahead and close it back down. We're gonna go another 9 minutes and 30 seconds, and then we will start checking for doneness. All right, so after that, in the last couple of minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and start making the sauce. I'm gonna go over to the stove and we'll make the buffalo sauce to toss them with once they're done. All right guys, so we're ready to make our sauce. I'm going in 2 sticks of butter or 2 half sticks of butter. That on high right now. I'll turn it down in just a second. Get those butter melted real quick. And then, like I said, I'm using Frank's Red Hot Wings, the Hot Buffalo. All right. So if you don't like as much spice, they also have just the buffalo. Okay. So you guys can see I'm getting ready for the Super Bowl. I do this every year. So you can see my butter is melting down.
I'm gonna bust him out because he'll eat wings whenever he can.
Yeah. I'm a wing fanatic. So right now, I'm going to go in with my hot sauce. I'm just going to go in with the whole bottle. I'm just going to let that melt down.
Which one did you use?
The hot.
The hot.
Yeah, the hot. So I'm going to let that melt down. And then we'll let it simmer while these finish up. And then you guys will see me tossing this. So you can see the butter's melting real nicely. And I'm gonna throw in a little twist. This wasn't planned, but I do like spicy lemon pepper as well. So I'm gonna throw in a little lemon pepper seasoning.
Just a little? Just a little?
Yep. So we're gonna toss these in some buffalo and lemon pepper. All right, so my air fryer just stopped, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix this in real good. Making a mess. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I like to see my seasoning.
Oh yeah.
All right. So we used about a cup. No, I'm just playing.
It's a good half cup though.
Yeah. So we got a lot of wings, and then you know they're gonna be tossed. So I'm gonna turn that down on the simmer, and just let that do what it's doing, and then we're gonna go over here and check our wings. Oh yeah. This thing's ready to go. See that? They're ready to go. They're ready to be tossed. You can tell too. You can look at the bone here. You can tell they're done. You gotta give me a plate too so I can plate these up. So we did exactly the 20 minutes. So 390 for 20 minutes. Like I said, you can do the same thing in the oven if you don't have an air fryer. Turn that thing on 400. Maybe 20-25 minutes. That should be ready to go. If you're ever in doubt, use a meat thermometer. Alright, so there you go. Alright, so we're just gonna pour some of our sauce. Alright, I'll save a little bit. Let me clean up my mess real quick. Yeah, I don't want to make a mess. So I'm just gonna use my tongs and toss them real good. Oh yeah. And there you go, guys. That's it. There you have it. Nice lemon pepper buffalo wings.
Just one of my nose.
Alright guys, so we're all done. Just gonna pour me a little cocktail. This Super Bowl Sunday, right? Not really, but
Not yet.
yeah, it's almost there.
You're celebrating early.
Yeah. So I got me a little whiskey sour here.
Whiskey sour. It's pretty.
I can't say shout out to my sponsor no more because Hennessy never sponsored me, so I moved on to some whiskey. Alright, so get this out your way. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and taste this real quick and I'll let you guys go about your business. So me, I like the flats. So I'm gonna taste it without the ranch first, of course.
It needs no ranch. Don't get your mouth all hot trying to drink that whiskey sour fast. Not hot?
It's spicy. Guys, when you make these wings, you can thank me later. But your guests will love this. These are phenomenal. I make these all the time. So they're phenomenal. The lemon pepper is optional. Like I like lemon pepper and my spicy wings together, but that's totally optional. It's not part of the recipe. But I would recommend it. Definitely put it in there because it gives it a nice flavor.
Gives it a kick.
Mm-hmm. And nice and crunchy. And perfect.
You gonna eat them carrots?
No.
Let me see.
Oh, I gotta get the thumbnail too.
He's sitting there eating the
I'm always
platter.
getting my thumbnail.
You see that?
But yeah, give them a final look. Like that, we're gonna send them on their way.
See that too? Nice looking drink. Too bad I don't like it. I'm not into the whiskey.
All right, guys. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys liked this recipe. If the recipe wasn't clear for you, leave me a comment and I will explain it to you step by step if I need to. But essentially, all we did was use seasoned salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and garlic powder. That is the base for any hot wing chicken recipe. All right. So you can play with your measurements. It's totally up to you. If you can't have a lot of salt, then cut back on the salt. All right. But this is a perfect wing recipe. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and cheers to you. See you in the next one.